All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to download and briefly use Screencastify. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, make sure you're on Google Chrome first. Don't use Safari or Firefox. And you go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, and what you want to search for is Screencastify. And I prefer this as my screen recording tool that I use. If you use a different one, then that's fine. But this is the one I typically use. Says the #1 screen recorder on Chrome. And the reason why I like it is because when I record something, it automatically goes right to my Google Drive. I can download it as an MP4. I can upload it on YouTube if needed. So it's pretty handy. And if you're using it for the AP Computer Science Principles performance task, the create performance task, then you can download it right from there as an MP4. Okay, so if you go ahead and click here, this says, for me, it says remove from Chrome. I don't want to remove it, but you should have something, a button that pops up and says add to Chrome. I would click that, okay, and follow the proper steps in order to get Screencastify in your browser. Okay, they might ask you to reset your browser and then come back after you've already added it. But then, let's say I open up a new tab, and you should as well. You should be able to see the Screencastify button in the top corner of your screen. So if I ever wanted to record my screen, I would just click up here. Okay, right now I'm using it to record this video. So if I'm in the middle of recording, it tells me how long I've been recording for, if I would like to restart it, if I'd like to delete it, pause it, and anything else, right? When I'm done, at the very end, if I want to stop, I can click the stop sharing. I can also move around the video wherever I want, right? If I want to even navigate away from that, away from my Google Chrome browser, I could. I could show the backdrop of my screen, and you can move this wherever you want and even hide it if you really want to. But like I said before, the main thing that you would need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and make sure to add Screencastify. It's pretty easy to use. You can decide whether or not you want to add your video in there or not. So if you're using it for the AP Create task for Computer Science Principles, you can go ahead and remove your face. And you can also, if you're not speaking, you can remove audio or just not speak on that task. So that's that, and hopefully that was informative.